Ta-da! So today, right, I received so many gifts from Florasis. Okay, I have not touched on the ingredients for the cleanser. Oh my goodness, I could feel my face is so tight. You cannot imagine how my face feel right now. It's so tight, guys. So tight that I'm really in love with the products. Okay, the cleanser is so amazing, guys. I have not talked about a cleanser. Later I'll talk about a cleanser, but today is all about Florasis lipstick. Okay, this one, they give me this. Okay, and take a look at this amazing intricate details. Look at this. OMG, it's really exquisite. 这个颜色是我现在擦的颜色。Oh yes, I love this color, guys. This one. Okay, do you remember that I'm promoting their lip liner? Okay, you can actually use their lip liner first. I'm using the Dusty Rose, this color. 这颜色真的是配这个颜色。Gorgeous, right? So this is how many of you do not know how to draw your lipstick, right? Or draw your lip liner. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. You draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you can draw here 4, 5, 6. It's such a beautiful color. This is Dusty Rose, if I'm not wrong. Or Blooming Rose, sorry, Blooming Rose. This is Blooming Rose. And after that, you can use this one to go over. Such a beautiful color. I believe a lot of you love this color. 这颜色, this nude, right, lipstick is all over Korea. Whenever I go to Korea, right, this lipstick is always bestseller. I mean, this kind of color lipstick is always bestseller. It's very easy to use, you can use it daily. 你穿什么颜色都适合的. This is neutral color, guys. The lipstick that they give me, right, are all neutral colors. So their brand, right, they also actually have this anti-wrinkle kind of benefit. So if your lips are wrinkled, right, you will love this lipstick because it plumps up your lips. Okay, this is me without my lip filler. My lip filler is gone. It's already 1 year already. Time passes so fast, so I'm still contemplating to do another one. Okay. Ta-da! So 这个颜色呢, if you want to find the lip liner for this one, right, I think I have a similar lip liner color. And to complement this lipstick color, look at it. It's so similar, okay, yet different. But yeah, it's so pretty. Make your lipstick last longer. Use a lip liner all over your lips. Okay, then you put the lipstick on and it lasts longer. Alright, so see you soon in my next video. Bye! Oh yes, if you want to order the lip liner and the lipstick, right, please click onto this link to order.